had to experience it. Why? Because you can read about patience. You can learn about it. You can listen to a khutbah about it. But if you're experiencing something, you're experiencing a kind of situation where you cannot understand why this is happening to you. Why is this happening to me? And then still know, لا تحسبوه شرا لكم بل هو خير لكم. Don't think this is a bad thing for you. There's good in this for you. There's good in it for you. If you can internalize that, then you've learned one of the most important lessons in the Quran. One of those lessons that could not have been learned easily even by the likes of Musa alayhi salam. And if it's not easy for you and me to internalize that lesson right away, that's okay. It wasn't even easy for Musa alayhi salam. We're not being expected to turn into angels. We're not being expected to not be frustrated, to not be angry, to not lose patience. That's not the expectation from Allah. As a matter of fact, even someone of that status, of Musa alayhi salam, from ulul azmi min ar-rusul, if he can multiple times be told, look, you're losing your patience, told you you're not going to be able to handle it, then who are we? We are going to go through those circumstances. But this story and this guidance is going to remind us that we have to take a step back sometimes and just look at Allah's plan and say, I submit to it. There is something good in it, in this life and in the next. And you know what? I'm going to accept that. And this is the lesson that Musa alayhi salam had to be given. We are not going to have someone like, Musa's teacher who will walk around with us, and when something bad happens, he'll be like, by the way, I know you're frustrated, but the real thing, you lost your job right now and you're really upset, but actually a much better job is coming and you would never have even applied for it if this didn't happen, and you're going to move to the town you always wanted to move to, but that's all planned out for you, but I just didn't want to tell you that, so right now I know you're pretty depressed because you don't have any savings, you don't have money to pay the rent and the electricity bill, and everything's falling apart, but just wanted to let you know there's something in the source code you didn't understand. That's not going to happen with us. That's not going to happen. That's only with that messenger and that lesson that he had to learn. And through that we know that there's always a plan. Because of this story, we know there's always a plan. And the plan of Allah is always meant to be something good.